Good afternoon, students. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 5 of biology. That is the first chapter of bio in 9th class. The name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life. Before starting this chapter, I want to clear the meaning of the chapter's name. What is chapter's name? The fundamental unit of life. Life, you know. You all know what is life. जीवन जो हम जीते हैं. Fundamental. What is the meaning of fundamental? Fundamental means basic. When we are making a house, what is the base of that house? That is foundation. नींव हम डालते हैं ना पहले उसकी फाउंडेशन डालते हैं. Then only we are making walls, roof and all the things. Means we are making base. We are creating base. One more example I can give. If you are preparing pizza at home, first of all the material, the base that you need, that is base of the pizza. If base is there, then only you can add topping, vegetables, sauce, all the things on that. Means the thing that is must, that is base. Means base, basic and unit. What is unit? I gave you example of unit in Zoom class also. Unit in maths. In one unit, so many exercises you are doing. But unit is a whole thing. अपने आप में एक पूरी चीज. But unit is the part of a whole thing. एक बड़ी चीज का छोटा हिस्सा जो कि अपने आप में पूरा है. That is called unit. Means the fundamental unit of life means basic unit of life. What is the basic unit of life? That is cell. All living things, whether they are human beings, animals, plants, whatever the living thing, all are made from cells. All the living things are made up of cells. Now, in this video, I will give only introduction. Introduction of the chapter. In introduction, I will tell you what we are going to study in this chapter. First of all, we will study about definition. What is the definition of cell? Second thing is discovery. Who discovered the cell and when? Third thing is parts of cell. Parts of cell. Cell is the smallest unit of our body. Smallest. सबसे छोटा. You know two types of cell, two type of organism we read in 8th class. Unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular means those are made up of only a single cell. जो single cell से बनते हैं. Cell हमने पढ़ा यूनिट, दैट इज होल, बट अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ अ बिग थिंग. सेम थिंग विद सेल. सेल भी अपने आप में एक होल थिंग है, पूरी चीज है, बट सेल इज द पार्ट ऑफ अ बिग थिंग. बिग थिंग मीन्स द बॉडी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर लिविंग थिंग, वेदर दे आर एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स. सेल से ही सेल मल्टीप्लाई होते जाते हैं और उसका वो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो ग्रो करता जाता है, बड़ा होता चला जाता है. और so definition. Let us discuss definition first of all. In definitions, three things we are studying. First is building blocks of life. How we will building blocks of life. How the cells are building blocks of life. As I told you, सेल हमारी बॉडी में मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, बढ़ते चले जाते हैं, उसी से हमारी बॉडी ग्रो करती है. आपने देखा है एक जो हमने पिछले 8th में भी बायो में पढ़ा था कि जब जो स्पर्म होता है वो सिंगल सेल होता है. When it fertilized, the embryo developed in mama's womb, and how it grows, cells multiplying and the body grows. grows. Have you seen newborn baby? Slowly, day by day, it is improving. Its body growing by the multiplying of cells. So these are the building blocks of life. Cells are the building blocks of life. Next is fundamental unit of life. Fundamental unit of life. Now only we discuss. Fundamental means basic unit. That is the cell is the base of life. Base of life. This second thing we discussed and this is the main thing. Third is structure and functional unit of life. Functional unit of life. जब सेल बढ़ते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में अलग अलग टाइप्स के सेल हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप के सेल्स हमारे, तो उसी से हमारा स्ट्रक्चर बनता है. जैसे जैसे सेल हमारे बढ़ते जाते हैं, हमारा स्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूव होता जाता है. हम टॉल भी होते हैं, हम फैट भी होते हैं, स्लिम भी होते हैं, और हमारी हाइट भी इंक्रीज होती है. तो हमारा स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो सेल्स के पे ही बेस्ड होता है, उसी से बढ़ता है. नेक्स्ट इज फंक्शनल. सेल्स अलग अलग फंक्शन करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में अलग अलग फंक्शन जो है वो परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो दे आर स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. सेल हमारे बॉडी में अलग अलग टाइप के फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ डिस्कवरी वी विल discuss in next video. Now we will see in brief parts of cell. Parts of cell. How many parts of cells are there? There are 5 parts of cell. First part is cell wall. Cell wall, that is giving shape to the cell and protect it. Second is cell membrane. Cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Third is cytoplasm. That you know, fluid part of the cell. Fluid जो present होता है, liquid जो present होता है, jelly type liquid, that is cytoplasm. Fourth is nucleus. Fifth part is cell organelles. Cell organelles. Different type of cell organelles we have. We read about cell. In this chapter we will read about cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and cell organelles. Cell is divided into these 5 parts, but further cell organelles are also divided in different parts. Now we will discuss that. Parts of cell organelles. Cell organelles. Which parts it contains? First is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Second is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Third part is mitochondria. Mitochondria. And fourth part is plastids. Fifth Fifth part is vacuoles, the empty part, vacuoles, and last is lysosomes. In this chapter, we will discuss all these things in detail. So, this was the introduction of the chapter. Rest of the part we will do in Zoom class next week. Thank you. Have a nice day.